So yesterday we looked at this quite a bit, and it's solving a quadratic equation by using the quadratic formula. So you might flip back a couple pages if you need a review. The only thing I'm going to point out here is that, remember, we're identifying a, b, and c if our quadratic is written in standard form. And in this case, the quadratic is written in standard form. So if I'm looking at f, I can see a is the coefficient of x squared. So a is 2. The other thing is that b is the coefficient of my linear term, or just x to the first power term, so b is 19. And c, it's kind of difficult. I always make sure you do pick up these negative symbols. C is negative 10. So I'm going to put those values of a, b, and c very carefully into the quadratic formula and evaluate it. And another thing that's just a really good thing to do, right? Because I'm not going to give you the answer here. Make sure you just take this quadratic in its entirety. You're going to get two answers. Graph them and just verify that really those answers you get produce an answer of 0, because if they're not making that left hand side equal to 0, you've made a small error somewhere. And really the most important part of any mathematical process is being able to identify and correct errors. So go ahead and do both E and F.